My name is Min Kim. I'm a senior electrical engineer, part of the electrical team at Freeform. What I generally work on is bridging the gap between circuit design and PCB layout. And here is an example of one of our more complex boards. So what sets Freeform apart is that we're using far more lasers than anyone else in the industry right now. And due to that, every single one of these ports that I showed you, every single one of these ports actually sends commands to a different laser. So this enables up to 40 lasers. Speed is very important to us because the types of control loops that we use to make sure that the process is doing what it's doing, we're running it very fast, and we're also running it for many different lasers. And that's what allows us to print parts within hours compared to other companies in the industry that are doing it in days or weeks. The whole reason why Freeform can do what it's doing today is our high performance, high compute infrastructure. And without the electrical team, that wouldn't be possible because we make all the custom designs that specifically enables that part of the process.